Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. Well, I absolutely love this time of year. It's great to get back out into the garden again. And one of the key jobs that I'm doing in my own garden is controlling garden weeds in the veg borders, in the flower borders and shrub beds. And the tool I use is a hoe from Wolf Garden Tools. It has a double-sided blade. So first of all, it's stainless steel. It's really good quality. It simply detaches from the handle like that. It's got a sharp blade at the front, a sharp blade at the back. So as you glide the hoe across the surface of the soil, it simply scuffles the weeds and kills them off, and is probably the most effective way of controlling weeds in your garden without the use of weed killers or pesticides. So if you want to control garden weeds this year, I can highly recommend the Wolf Garden tool. It's a really good hoe. And believe it or not, I have one for the last 15 years that I use weekly in my own garden. So control those garden weeds this year. My advice is to use a garden hoe. It's a very simple device. It's very effective at scuffling the weeds, and you'll do it in a safe method without the use of pesticides or weed killers. We've got a great selection of the Wolf Garden tools available on organically for a home delivery. Bye for now.